everyone, Gagajoy. Today we're going to do a little simple recipe that I love. I saw it and I thought, oh man. But after I made it, it's everything in it that I like. So it's a banana salad. Now, your bananas should be, these are like 1 day past what I think they should be, but I didn't get a chance to make them yesterday. And if you're going to take it to a luncheon or something at church, I would take my dressing, which is 3 cups of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You take your mayonnaise and with you, and then when you get there, cut your bananas up. That may work. It may work better. And also, it's a salad that you know, bananas are, that you want to make the day you're going to use it. You could use it the second day, but you know it's not going to be as pretty. But if you have to, you have to. So this is our salad dressing. It's just mayonnaise, vinegar, and sugar. And the bananas. Yeah, just don't use bananas with flushes. With black spots in them. Of course, a lot of times bananas get bruised before you even bring them home. Okay, we got our bananas. Here's my mayonnaise spoon. You know, you can double the recipe if you need to. But if you take this much, I never bring anything home. And it coats them very good. It's a little bit of coating. And that's it. Now I had these in the refrigerator, and the recipe doesn't call for it, but I just thought it'd make it a little bit prettier. So you see how quick that was? That's my kind of salad. If you love mayonnaise and as a dressing, and you love bananas, you're in banana heaven. Well, that was very easy, and it looks very pretty to take somewhere. Well, I hope you have a good day. Rest of the day. It's beginning to rain here. Take care of yourself. Have a banana salad. Remember the joy. See you soon.